Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Samad Khan from sociallypro.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off the free or data mode in your Facebook application. I will also show you that how you can remove that free data banner on your Facebook app. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, as always, I'm suggesting you guys to update your Facebook app. So let me show you that I'm using the latest Facebook app right now. That way you won't face any troubles while doing so. Now once you update your application, simply go ahead and open up the Facebook app. And as you can see, I have recently removed my free data banner, that black bar, that black banner at the top. So I don't see it anymore. However, you can turn it on or off whenever you want. For that, you need to tap the menu option at the top right. Scroll down a little bit and tap on settings and privacy option. Now as you can see, there is our fourth option, mobile center. Tap on this and there is our little settings icon at the top right corner. Tap this and under settings, as you can see, there is our first option, turn on Facebook mode. So I'll tap this and as you can see, I can use the Facebook app without data charges on my current network provider. So you can use it to update your status, post photos and send messages without data charges. I'll go ahead and continue for the demo purpose. So as you can see, I can now switch between the free mode and the Facebook data mode. So I'll tap this go to free option. And as you can see, I'm using Facebook for free without any data charges. You can simply disable this by tapping on the see photos button at the top right and use data balance and you are good to go. But now the question is how you can remove that data mode banner at the top right. Don't worry, I'm going to show you that right now. So repeat the same steps. Go to your menu section and go to mobile center. Tap the settings icon at the top right again. And as you can see, under settings, there is our first option, turn off Facebook mode. So tap this option and there is our turn off button. When you turn off Facebook modes, you will lose access to free mode with your current network provider and you won't be able to update your status, post photos or send messages without data charges. Just confirm this and hit that turn off option and you are good to go. As you can see, that banner has been removed successfully. So this is exactly how you can switch between Facebook free and data mode and remove that banner at the top. For more to the point videos and updates like this, you can subscribe to this channel and visit my blog sociallypro.com for more information. Thanks for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.